Madeline and Gabriella Murphy in Victoria, British Columbia, in a park by Fisherman's Wharf. They've been kind of inside for a couple of days of rain. They're anxious to get out and play. They're soft-coated Irish Wheatons. They're sisters, and they are 5 months old. And we're at this park on Inner Harbor, Victoria, British Columbia. There's a seaplane getting ready to take off, and this is Fisherman's Wharf. There's a lot of homes that are floating homes. This is the Shoal Point Inn. It's a fairly new development. Very nice. There are the soft-coated Irish Wheatons chasing leaves. They live in La Jolla, California, and they flew up on WestJet this time. The belly of a 737 and did pretty good. No sedatives.